Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2016 Module 12 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Open the file, download the file from SAM, rename it, and ensure your name appears in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 2. Create a pivot table. In the orders sheet, insert a pivot table on a new worksheet named Orders Pivot. Add customer to rows, product to columns, and total to values. Format the values as accounting with dollar symbol and 0 decimal places. Step 3. Add new record and refresh data. Add the new record in orders sheet as per table 1. Refresh the product's pivot table. Step 4. Modify pivot table. Turn off field headers, change report layout to compact form, and remove grand totals. Change sum of discount to average discount and format it as percentage. Step 5. Create pivot chart. On monthly sales sheet, insert a clustered column pivot chart and title it Sales by Month. Step 6. Filter data. In region pivot chart sheet, change the filter to show all dates. In discounted price sheet, reorder fields to show customer first, then order number. Filter Midwest region orders for June and August using slicers. Step 7. Modify product pricing pivot table. Sort by quantity, largest to smallest. Add discounted price, change it to average discounted price, and format it as accounting. Step 8. Use getPivotData. In orders sheet, use getPivotData in cell M9 to extract Southwest region quantity from monthly sales pivot table. Step 9. Save and submit. Save your work and submit as per SAM's instructions. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268, or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.